Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wafreme Ajoa searching.
Abusia, you see this gentleman up there? I've made a promise to myself that I'm not going to talk about him anymore. Oh, not that I'm scared of him, lalai. But I've already classified him to be Sebi Obi Awabodam. So I see no reason why I talk about Sebi Bodemi. Once I make an asthma, I'm to Nebusian for so mon penny baby in Fanny San, where I betting can say that now I run a dross. Bray whom and I won't pursue who be when I was in a why am I Bray pursue who no more. Kevin. Moreover, strategy now would take it quite wafan. We if you say yen zongo for any trail. We if you say zongo need any witch na hobe kun. When him so bit my bono pants or be han and ya catch us in Kay Magana na Marika. In Kay Magana na headinka. Zongo need a be fatwa now a pie. So we are made the be why with him soon a kumum or suro or pursue be mana me patawomo. You can jai that kind of strategy and ye jai. Will be a yen and tafo because most of us that comes here to defend Hajj Samir about me and yen tafo. That's what Islam taught us. Islam a culture and say bompire ma winia a bra win you inshallah a shrub of one very responded and me at the amount so. That is what hadith taught us. Ube hunai say yen yapo so me bra. Quite a cyber view. It be a brother we have a video because with him so your kitchen now we video now you and make it Mrs. Our Moko concussion and it be buffer with him the mouth can't answer. Mom Jimmy, I will come after you. Mom bra. They say they were free. So Beju will be a no adrian a free in some day. I could say yen yaposomi as I see so yate. Malam no. Malam na wo kono na kokko na watcho na so kokko na asia ba ya kwa akwachi akokko no awe. Now what I would to your kitchen. Now what I would to your kitchen in video. And me you maybe meant you must say my dream war for my antino, most supported dear we war and we if you say ma and a papa or come mashe. And ma did was send a woman gun and my babos what did do mukuneti said they had just a mere about me. It did Dr. Baumiachin. And ma saying, Kevin, cry never pay or he no could be dream. Mom send my mere babos so sa edin chida. Yeah, mammy, the current vice president, Professor Nana Jane, crowd ye by him, some man away who could do. Ne campaign platform being why you send you could dinner to protect him and at also your campaign. Kevin, corner sign bread beam. Let's sign bread beam. The only thing you have today being the second day of Dhul Hijjah, my HUN me Kevin telling you foku, Sazongo your lifestyle never no person will live by the way if you say yeah, any chair no quino. The way if you say yen zongo for any chair no quino. The only thing he has is all boys with streeter or money information is maybe you be born. And let me tell you something. Yam time for and yes, any near you, dear Quran and natural no, and now my sa kukudruno. It's that when you be nam cremophobia enam, now your boy be to cry or sing Yanko Pon a CBC. Because what will say about verse 51 a catcher and say, be bien where better a Yamena manato. And believers have faith in Allah, inshallah, He's the protector. It's been 4 months now. Kevin Taylor Shas ya all ranted over social media. And I had just a mere about me. I am say, and I am saying a sebi me run a dross. I found a nasty may any say. But a brandy went to me can't a dip back one ma many day yeno and sure Ghana for that. Now me expecting followers na or mujini edine say. Bray, a dear ma many day I will come back with you and make come at you so we need she. And Kevin. Today being 19th May 2026, Tuesday, that is the second day of Dhul Hijjah, yen kremo for your calendar. So we a bema ukra bossa. So ya that me say me there. For the back up a brabontin. A tress ma enough only be a agenda and this if was set. On say wana, Mary will see what tonight TV so can say, I just say me about me or you dangerous, or the ballot paper. So Oman said 2024 agenda and fact this time around. And about me, I precook. Mrs. about me, I cram my war. Every son no cry. Young Madikiama, me Muslim in Yakura, me kind Quran de Bia. This is my Quran. Me king kind we and I'm a bet in a hay. Meaning say young Madikiama, or Cassino Hatashon, one a year to Moa for him. And say no, and my elder, me woman doctor. Malam phone saw me, yes, our agenda in a system. Almost a demo, we are as Mr. Boniface free Namiho. Kevin, corner sign bread be what it. Na ye atra ho kra
ade na say the NDC for abranti ya oso na demo ba power 2024 yi won e di atem ma o man Ghana mu ha odi obi atem e man o so won e di NDC abapawa no se se obeso social media bia na NDC fo mo atwam ho e se ene na eko ada e na asie wo de mu ntie Muntaka wo de mu ntie no
to respond to a bigot, somebody who hates our country but pretends to love it, whose talk is just to malign innocent persons with lies.
Yeah, hey ya na me pese ye tie video ni si video na wa be ha ene hiame hwe Muntaka me see asem bi abrante ne de baba bonti bia ye bagye di muti krom ha Muntaka wo ye pani wani afi wo sua nwoma durachiri abrante ti oman ati na buro tire America bonti so estati so wo di mpanimfo o oman Ghana mu hatam enye eneba wati TV mama tem wati otumfo atem why na branch we only na tem wo man Ghana mu ha enanu ya ye hanse wo beka fa wo mampani kofo ho NDC 40 to social media radio so TV so justify sa ensemhunu ne Kwasia asem wei moti hon mo justify sa nsem a abrante ne kan nyina ye onokre na wo mampani kofo aba be se wo man abebo wo man nene de okaba mudie mo ani abre o se wo ba ba be yi mo flag bearer de amamo mpo be yi amamo yeti wo man mu ha ama branche wi akofo oba sansadeli adina bre NDC for mama appointment abra abawe ni nkuta certificate bi na motiwo na wo hwe sabe Muntaka se na wo kroma na wo tiwo na hwe ene de won se kaba wo dem de wani abre me see assembly obeka fa hu bia be di because mo see assembly o waka fa o mampani kufo hu bia no kore eti assembly o de beba bonti bia yeso be di mo wo ho no mo a mo nsua de abrante na jimi wonim nyansa enso mo te ho no mo hwe no na o te wo jimi na mo sori NDC yura dondromani mama no atam sika firi Ghana no de akoma no no de jimi eti wanya tumi abrante di Kwasia asema ma ye na court oba ya na o mampani dondromani mama wama na wama the body guy asa na court na your vice president fee na mpese me busa yura dondromani mama say abrante no o ye American ambassador to Ghana na so o ye dai eno ne mpanifo bu bebi say wo tete aduane boni ma o ye furudi a e botwene e ma wo sa wo tena ho so ye hu wa ba no ma o tete wo che eno bi na mo tena Kwasia asem wa ne ba bi aduru no afa de mo ankasa memo mo ankasa no amemo won se de NDC ni obi ani abre ana afa de mo ekwa attack no be se onya hu hwe yese jimi owe anu ohye eche dam yale a Yesu kwa ba asase so wantimi ansa no ani jimi abrante ni ya jimi ni oye kurase ni no wanya mu kwa no akotena buruchiri eso mo gina yo gina baba na oti ho wo jimi na mo sori na endi so man ni sika na ye hu de ye nkwa no mo sasa na mo sa de akoma no no oti wo no odi no jimi won se de okaba mu de mo ani abre afa de obia attack no me se munya hu hwe de ebeba no ebeche ewi de ebeba no ebeche ewi so oba be yi mo flag bearer de amamo oba yi so de amamo mo po ne be yi de amamo se de mo pɛ mo ho an no na minua bi na mi hwɛ video bi krati bi se okuta American passport eti kroma ye ntimi nche no eti odidi obi atem a onfani na mpese busa sa owura no se ada na America ho na wotem de oni di Donald Trump atem ana America omo parliament ontre ho no odidi o matem nanka senka 3 minutes ko eba twum ori fi ho anko behu Ghana ne yesoso Kwasia so jimisem so ntino oba no otre ho no odidi atem o ka tese o ya American citizen eti obetima di du obi atem o Ghana no afa no adi beboa ana America ho no ote ndi ontre ho no onidi Donald Trump anasa America omo parliament anasa American panifo onidi o matem na senka 2 minutes ebe turu no fi ho anko behu and so much one, and I'm so a brainwash mo, and the genius and this for Muntino, or more and this Libya and Nene. Minia, me do be a sober no shama and your sweat TV.
Oh, if you say, a doom penso beer, and Sessa or support to Bonnie. And then on the internet, and say NDC for both supporters in Bibri, especially on Kavin Taylor, say, Wako can say, or no, and obitu so I say, or no, the ono becano, and on NDC for obitu so as flat bearer. And now my NDC supporters in both who say total disrespect to the party. You see, also the bar mudi, must say disrespect. But you, these same people, are there to support this guy, monster. Muna mama na ya monster. Kevin Taylor no. Meka efia poku aba America fofo. Because efia poku a chere na adwen a enye. This guy sat on this platform. Say efia poku na baby o ware no, wa report to na my home office. And you, these NDC people, majority of you, were under his post, praising him. Nipa bonesem se abuchiri bankratasem, o de azumi mpo, se efia poku akra bae. Saa niyama no kra na wabeya, nkratasem se bonko bokro no. Kratasem a yeye, se abuchiri ha, wavan krata amba, ni bia, kwanya ese ofa sunyebi. Abrofo no, saa niyama nyeso umunimo, unemumiano, sebi unko bokro no. Na eno na abefa so a odi benye bi na nye krono bo na we law abiding omo de ya ne ayeye kekan kanse bi na Kevin Taylor bet na was fie pokua wa yesi sa video mbeka ya be 3 years ago emu bi ne sorry ye ejina ese no enya adepa sesebi enyina yetu bata na bai wo de otia yi oba abefa ede waba enti wo nim se de ete wo fiti ya wanya bi wo nim ekwan e video mti pempem ansa na o manya bi. Namo NDC for most of your supporters were under his post praising him. Well, how people incite you to hate people. And I'm referee say there's life after politics in this animal no be. When we saw no be jina ho ne de ko here on platform mo say o disrespect my party no. Yes, I just or patch say you people cannot decide. No, a total disrespect to omo standing for a and a movie. Many brea more can you see, and so you people were fully supporting him. So the you be a call with me the near me a young crofo trying to bully people because of the America ain't he? Oh Tigano, say we American citizen, also crown a beer according to crown to be that. Oh Tiwana cry be a Ghana cry a jobless. But you are supporting this same person, demonizing people, also be destroyed will be no more supported. And that the only be far moody, must say, or disrespect him or partner control a person made a Ibako am there to from an NDC a Ibako. And no one natural call platform or more contact. I say total disrespect, so all can answer. I say without him, no NDC. Just a one no never decide. How? I mean, you have made this guy a monster. This guy, you people have made Kevin Taylor a monster. And on also any day, and he is still playing it. Because you can't be so best say will be a now you people are praying. Say on say ni pako. I tell you, I say, you're so tobo bob dying a bounce about so. To me and me as nipa. Now there is life after politics. Politics is not all about life. As I say, politics is a temporary position and a temporary position in a life. Because political position, they are time, all the upper the dictators are saying one day it be free. To me and me, next time more supporters are there this guy, a bullying crofo, or yesi, or same crofo, no DH. Mon say there's life after politics. And I say, politics is not all about say life, a temporary. And now which now new view. Then people of power recently, and people new opposition. NDC was in opposition for 8 years. Are they not in power? Think about this. na munyai hoten now you allow people to incite you to hate people for no reason. What I say. So we that person will totally disrespect you, people.